For most of my life, electronics has been something other people understood. I could fix mechanical things. Engines made sense. Structures made sense. But circuit boards and code? That always felt like a different world. Then one day I needed motion in a project. Not just movement I forced by hand, but movement the machine could control. And suddenly, avoiding electronics wasn't an option anymore. So this isn't a course, and it's not a deep dive into theory. This is what happens when a regular builder learns electronics for a real reason. We're going to use Arduino, sensors, and motors, but only as tools to make physical things work. No memorizing formulas, no pretending you're going back to school. Just enough understanding to make projects come alive. You'll see the mistakes, the rewiring, the moments where nothing works, until it finally does. Because electronics isn't magic. It's just another shop skill. And like every other skill, you learn it by building something that matters to you. If you've ever said, "I wish I understood this stuff," this playlist is where you start. Let's get this ball rolling.